Welcome back to our channel. Today the Tesla Motorhome 2026 is a bold leap into the future of travel, combining the electric innovation Tesla is known for with the comfort and freedom of a mobile home. This all-electric motorhome is designed for those who crave adventure without sacrificing sustainability, luxury, or cutting-edge technology. As we move into an era where clean energy and smart design are at the forefront, Tesla's entry into the motorhome market is more than just a vehicle, it's a complete reimagining of life on the road. At first glance, the 2026 Tesla Motorhome looks like something out of a science fiction movie. With its aerodynamic curves, sleek LED lighting, and minimalist yet powerful stance, it's clear that aesthetics were a priority. The chassis is built on a reinforced version of Tesla's proven electric vehicle platform, offering both strength and efficiency. Tesla's signature solar roof panels span the entire top of the motorhome, allowing for off-grid power generation. These solar panels can recharge the battery during the day, providing energy for the drive and for powering onboard systems when parked. Inside, the cabin is a showcase of modern design and sustainability. Premium materials sourced responsibly are used throughout, giving the interior a luxury feel without harming the environment. The floor plan is spacious and intelligently laid out, with a convertible lounge area, a compact but well-equipped kitchen, a smart bathroom, and a cozy sleeping quarters that includes a queen-sized bed. Smart glass windows automatically tint according to sunlight, providing both privacy and comfort. The living area is customizable with touch screen controls, allowing occupants to control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with ease. Tesla's autonomous driving technology takes center stage in the Motorhome 2026. Full self-driving, FSD, capabilities allow for hands-free travel on highways and even some secondary roads, letting travelers relax while the vehicle handles the logistics of the journey. Tesla's AI can suggest scenic routes, recommend campsites, and even reroute based on weather or traffic. This level of autonomy turns travel into a stress-free experience and redefines road trips. Range anxiety is a thing of the past with the motorhome's massive battery pack, rumored to offer up to 500 miles on a single charge. Combined with ultra-fast supercharging capabilities and Tesla's rapidly growing charging network, long-distance travel becomes both feasible and enjoyable. The integration of solar charging extends independence even further, enabling travelers to spend days off-grid without worrying about finding a plug. Entertainment and connectivity are also highlights of the 2026 motorhome. With Starlink integration for satellite internet access, occupants can stream, game, work, or stay connected from virtually anywhere. The onboard entertainment system includes a retractable OLED screen, immersive surround sound, and Tesla's advanced infotainment software that learns user preferences and adapts the environment accordingly. The Tesla Motorhome 2026 isn't just a new vehicle, it's a new lifestyle. It caters to digital nomads, adventure seekers, and eco-conscious travelers who want to explore without leaving a carbon footprint. With its futuristic design, sustainable features, and unmatched technology, it sets a new benchmark for what's possible in mobile living. As Tesla continues to push boundaries, the Motorhome 2026 is a clear signal that the future of travel is not only electric, it's extraordinary.